Don't stop.
Hi, welcome to Sass of Sabrina. This is the channel where I try one new thing a week and post my funny trial and errors, all in hopes to either make you laugh or inspire you. Please subscribe, please share. In today's video, we're going to be doing a couple different things with acrylic paint. Acrylic fluid painting. It's where you like fill a cup with paint and then dump it on a canvas or a board or whatever you want to use, and then like swish it around. The second one is a front door welcome sign. Not one of the really big ones that are freestanding, just one that I can mount. So let's get started. That's gonna be so funny to be talking like that the whole video. Getting up close and personal. It's supposed to hang this way, but I just finesse the rope so it's like a little decorative thing. I might add some more ribbon to that to make it make a little bit more sense. It does not fit this way in the spot that I want it to hang, so I'm gonna write welcome this way. I do have a board that there will be a link below. I've picked different fonts, different styles, different sayings, so on and so forth. So we'll go from there. There was another one that I really liked, Good Vibes Only. I have lots of pieces of board, so I might make another sign for the backyard patio. So this is the welcome. So there's 7 letters, 16 inches wide. Okay, freehanding actually worked out really well. I've had these forever. I don't even know how good they're gonna be. Okay, so my daughter had my little palette, so I thought I could use the lid as a palette. Apparently I just like to make messes all the time. So I noticed everything started going up on a slant. I should have paid a little bit more attention. I do like it, so I just added that cute little heart down there just to kind of like balance everything out. Hopefully my husband likes that. I think the next video is gonna be how to hang this on brick. So my OCD is kicking in and I'm just going to make it a little smoother edges. I'm gonna do the Good Vibes sign next. Might wash this off first. So here is my honkin' wood. Hey Michael, what do you think of that?
Looks good.
Woo! Stencil, way too small. Good thing I bought a random stencil that I'll never use. Ooh, what did Mallory's craft? She's learning the alphabets. Okay, freehanding on this one, not going so well. Am I the only household that has no erasers? Good vibes only. Perfect for a hot summer day and a Corona. The sign that's wood that's going to be outside is going to get at least a few coats of Varathane so it can be protected from the rain. Obviously I won't leave it out in the winter. Now I'm going to get a drop cloth for some fluid acrylic painting. The pins on Pinterest, they just stack the different colors of acrylic paint here and then like poured it on their board. So here's my, I have another live edge board. So whatever you pour first is going to be like on the bottom. So I don't think it'll be seen that much. So this is like a burnt umber. Oh, that's chunky. Oh. Okay, that's it for that color. Hopefully those chunks aren't too horrible. And chunky once again. Yeah, you can't leave paint sitting around for too long. And it's actually not stacking, it's... Oh, that was a big chunk. Okay, that green's seen better days. Duh! Apparently shakes. Nasty, chunky. Okay, here we go. That's so not enough paint. That looks so gross. The chunks are like, oh my god, that's horrible. I don't even like those colors. Oh, it kind of looks like a Christmas tree. I actually don't mind that. Look at that. Woo. That's a little Christmas gift. Chunks and all. I don't know if I should pick the chunks out or leave the chunks in. This one's pretty nasty looking. Those ones I won't touch. I really like the swirl around it. Ooh, ooh. The two signs and the fluid painting were a lot of fun. The fluid painting I actually really want to try again. Maybe on a smaller scale with paint that's not chunky. And go from there. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.
Stop. Don't stop.